Welcome back to IdeaPlex, the channel where we explore ideas that could change the way you work, create, and think. What if I told you that you could create those in under 60 seconds from a single photo or selfie without knowing anything about editing, 3D, or even video production? You know those jaw-dropping CGI-style videos you scroll past on Instagram or TikTok and think, no way, that's AI? Yeah, I thought it was hype too. Until I tested Omagic AI, a tool that's quietly turning everyday creators into mini VFX studios. No 3D skills, no expensive software, just AI magic. Literally. This is Omagic AI, and it's one of the craziest tools I've tested this year. In today's video, I'm diving deep into what Omagic actually does, how it works, who it's for, and of course, whether it's just another trendy AI gimmick or a game-changing creative weapon. Omagic AI, or Openmagic, as some call it, is an AI-powered platform that lets you turn static photos or videos into super stylized cinematic animations. Imagine uploading a simple selfie or product shot and watching it morph into a dreamy Ghibli-style clip, or a glossy animated ad with sparks, particles, slow motion, full 3D vibes, all done automatically by AI. It doesn't just do face swaps or basic filters. It actually renders your image into an entirely new scene with lighting, camera moves, and effects. Kind of like having a full post-production team in your pocket. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a designer. If you can upload an image, you can make magic happen. Alright, so before you dive into the cool AI templates, let me quickly show you how to get started with Omagic. Head over to Omagic AI. On the homepage, you'll find an option to sign up. Just use your email, or you can log in instantly with your Google account. Super fast, takes about 10 seconds. Once you're in, it's going to ask you a few onboarding questions. They're simple, like, are you a content creator, marketer, or business owner? What kind of content do you make? Where do you plan to use the videos? Social media, YouTube, ads, etc. These questions help Omagic suggest the right templates for you. You can just click through them in under a minute. Once you're through that, this is what the dashboard looks like. Right at the top, you'll see the Openmagic logo and a clean, dark interface. It's super visual and beginner-friendly. You've got a big button to create template. And if you ever want to upgrade for commercial rights or more credits, the upgrade button is just one click away. Below that, you'll see the main area where the magic happens. This is where you can start with a template. Everything is laid out like a visual gallery. You've got dozens of AI video templates, each with eye-catching thumbnails. Some are marked new, which means they've just been released. There's a filter bar where you can sort templates by video theme, for example, product promos, cinematic looks, romantic vibes, etc. Input type, whether you're uploading a photo, video, or even a 3D asset. You can also search directly for a style or keyword using the search bar. Now, if you look closely, each template has a small icon in the top left corner. Some show a little cube, meaning it's for 3D objects. Others show a picture icon or video icon. So you know what kind of media it works with. Super helpful if you're just uploading a selfie or a short clip. So yeah, in under 2 minutes, you're fully inside Omagic with access to all these professional templates. And you don't need any editing skills. Just upload, select, and hit generate. That's it. Alright, now let's actually create something. So once you're on the dashboard, just scroll through the templates and pick one that fits your vibe. You'll see everything from cinematic product promos to anime style effects to more fun or bold styles like glitch, fire, dreamy glow-ups, and even realistic ad templates like the 50% off billboard you see here. Alright, so for this demo, I'm going to choose a really cool one. It's called the Shanghai Drone Show. Once you click on the template, it opens up this screen, and it's super simple. On the left, you get a little preview video showing how the final animation will look. You can even hit play to see the drone lights forming a message in the sky over the Shanghai skyline. Pretty stunning, right? Now on the right, you've got a basic input field that says enter your text. This is where you get to customize the animation. So instead of it saying your text here, you could type your brand name, a product launch message, etc. You get up to 20 characters, so keep it short and punchy. Something that fits the vibe of a drone light show. Bold, clear, and memorable. Once you've entered your message, all you do is click Create Magic, and yep, it uses 10 credits for this template. Then just give it a few seconds, and Omagic will generate a fully animated version of the drone show with your custom text floating in the sky. It's that easy. This one's great for intros, announcements, or just showing off some AI flair on your socials. Omagic offers a free tier with limited credits, so you can try it out without paying. But free users can't use the results commercially, so if you're planning to use the videos for ads, business, or monetized content, you'll need a paid plan. If you're looking for a low-effort, high-impact way to create scroll-stopping visuals, Omagic AI is absolutely worth trying. Consider subscribing to IdeaPlex. I've got more no-fluff deep dives coming soon. Let me know in the comments if you try Omagic or if you want a full tutorial or side-by-side with other tools. Until next time, keep experimenting and keep making ideas real.